Here's a great deal on a 2020 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as automatic dimming door mirrors, a power liftgate, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you